Hey guys, Bob here from Bob's World. Okay, I'm pretty pumped. It's gonna be I'm doing my first TinyWhoop official race, November 8th, down in the cities here in Minneapolis. Let me pull this up real quick, guys. Huge shout out to at Smika710. Sorry if I tore that up. But November 8th, I'm going to be going to the cities. I joined the Mighty Drones on Multi-GP. You can join, if you didn't know, you could look on Multi-GP, guys, and find groups, chapters in your area that you can join. From the ones I've seen so far, they're really friendly, help you get set up. Again, kind of going to this with really no knowledge. I've watched videos and like everybody else, but so far really helpful. Again, thank you guys. I can't wait to get there and try this out. All I know is I'm gonna have fun. That's all I know. That's gonna be the best part about it. I don't know if you can see this, but so there's my, it's probably not gonna focus, but my pilot name, Shake and Bake. I love the pilot names. It's probably my favorite thing. Semper Fly. Hold on, let me put my old man glasses on, guys. I love these. Like Semper Fly, Fire Serpent. I mean, that guy's got to be good. Captain Crow. One guy's or person's name's not sure. Star Plat. The names are the best. So, day one boot camp, guys. We're going to rip around with the Mob 6 Eco that's been modified with some different motors and the Roach frame, which I love. And what I'm really excited about is kind of learning about the process too. Like, how do they set it up? Getting the drone ready. It sounds like they're going to be pretty helpful about all that. I am bringing my better half. She's going too. I told her, no option. She's coming. And she actually is excited because she can shop at Trader Joe's. So she's going. And I think we're going to stay the night up there, and I'll probably have a beer afterwards or something. So let's do the course, makeshift course. I got to start practicing. I did change my rates to more of gate racing rates. I went with the 666 rates. So let's go, guys. Day one, gate racing prep for November 8th. I haven't done a lot of gate stuff lately. It's been mostly just kind of freestyle and ripping around. So I got to get kind of going here again. And obviously, I'm sure when there's other drones ripping out there, the excitement is going to get to me, and I'm going to be screaming like a little girl. Let's get up around this. And I like so far these 666 rates. I got to get used to them. But definitely smoother, less twitchy, which I think obviously is important in gate racing. And but yeah, it should be a ton of fun. I think, depending on how it goes, I might even join like their memberships, like $70 a year, I think, or something like that. But you can get in a bunch, a couple races throughout there that they organize. Yeah, so far so good. Okay, I'm liking it. And I think when I do my races there, I'm just going to kind of like focus on making it through the course, not necessarily being super fast, but just making it through. And it sounds like they pair you up with people kind of in the same kind of level experience you're at, so that'll be good. Not that it freaking matters, it's just going to be fun. So I will probably do a little live stream action from there with my phone. I probably should land, guys, huh? And definitely going to record it. And it's going to be a lot of fun. So, guys, again, thanks for the invite. I was already part of that group. I forgot I was. And, yeah, so winter TinyWhoop racing. I can't wait to get my first stats as a pilot on MultiGP. I don't even care if they suck. I just can't wait to see it on there. So thanks for the subs and likes, guys. Wish you an awesome weekend. Hope you get some flying in. TinyWhoops rule the world.